Okay, welcome back again to my channel, and let's continue the tutorial. And today we are going to make what is that, object detection with Pictoblox, of course. The application will run like this. When I prepare a picture that contain many things like person, maybe vehicle, maybe another object, so the square, I use a square sprite, not Toby again. Goodbye Toby. The square sprite will detect the object on the picture. Okay, to make it clear and quick, let's begin. Okay, like usual, just open Pictoblox. Okay, and okay, just choose Python coding, and we will delete Toby. Goodbye Toby. And here we need to change the backdrop. You can click backdrop and go upload backdrop. I already have the picture, this one. Click open. Okay, and then go back to Python code, and then we need a sprite square box, this one. Okay, the square box will select the object on this picture. We have one person, bicycle, and car. Okay, the code should detect the object. Okay, I just prepare the script over here. Just copy and paste to make it quick. You can pause and follow. Import time, we need library time, of course, and then variable object as a object detection. Pan, yeah, we need pan over here. Okay, pan library too. Pan clear object set threshold. Okay, analyze stage and disable box. This one. Looping again for e in range 1, object count +1. Okay, sprite set y to object, so the square box will select the object. Focus on the object, then sprite say object and class name. What is that? Car, will say car, like that. Okay, just run all. Okay, please wait while the model are being loaded. We need some model. Okay, just wait. Okay, model successful. Run. Okay, person, car, bicycle. Okay, bicycle. Okay, 3 object like I said before. It works. Yeah, that's the object detection. So easy, right? Yes, this is the easy step you can follow. You can try at your home. Okay, I think that's all for today, and see you. Bye bye.